If you've been found guilty of impaired driving, driving over .08, or refusing to provide a sample of breath, you will have a conviction registered along with a corresponding criminal record. This criminal record will remain with you for your entire life unless you get a record suspension, commonly known as a pardon. The best way to avoid a criminal record when facing any one of these DUI offenses is to hire an experienced criminal defense lawyer. I've successfully represented countless individuals charged with DUI offenses and helped them avoid a criminal record. If you are facing charges, call me now for a free, no-obligation consultation. Until you make that call, here's information you need to know about getting a pardon for a DUI conviction. The main reason people want a pardon is to remove the criminal record of a DUI for employment reasons. It has become more and more common for employers to require a criminal record background check from prospective employees, and having a record may be detrimental to your career. DUI offenses are hybrid offenses, which means that the prosecutor may proceed by way of indictment or summary conviction. Except in very rare circumstances, the election will be by summary conviction, which is good news for you. In order to get a pardon, you must wait 5 years from when that sentence is complete for a summary conviction and 10 years for indictable. If you are convicted for a DUI and it's your first offense, you're going to get a fine and a 1-year driving prohibition. This means the clock on the 5 years doesn't begin ticking until you serve the entire driving prohibition. If you do the math, this means that in most scenarios, you are not eligible for a pardon until 6 years from the date of your conviction. In a perfect world, you could file all the paperwork and get pardoned right at 6 years. Unfortunately, we don't live in a perfect world. As it currently stands, you can't apply until the date of eligibility. From there, the waiting period can be as high as 20 months. To apply, you must fill out the application paperwork and pay a fee. The application process is simple, and you can either do it on your own or hire a lawyer or pardon company. If you've been charged with impaired driving, driving over .08, or refusing to provide a sample of breath, it is better to beat the charge than have to wait years to get a pardon after being found guilty. If you're facing charges, call me today for a free, no-obligation consultation.